Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to part 6 of lesson 10 of book 1. Today we'll start going over the main text of the lesson on page 54. It's a dialogue between Muhammad and Hamid. Let's start. Hamidun. Hamid is saying, Man anta? Who are you? Muhammadun. Ana talibun bil jami'ati. I'm a student at the university. Here we are seeing a new harf jar bi for the first time. Harf bi means in or at. So bil jami'ati means at the university. Notice this single letter harf comes attached to the following word just like harf li that we learned about before. That is why the harf bi and al jami'ati are written together with no space in between. Bil jami'ati is a jar wa majroor phrase. The most common usage of this harf that all Muslims are familiar with is probably the BASMALAH phrase. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, which is translated to English as in the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Typically, this is the way Basmalah is written in Mushaf or in Islamic literature where alif of the word ism is dropped since it's not pronounced anyways. To understand the structure of the Basmalah, let's start with Ismullahi. Ismullahi is the idafa combination meaning the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, where al-ismu is mudaf and the word Allahi is mudaf ilayh majroor. Now, if we bring in the harf jar bi in front of them, it impacts the first word right after it. So ismu becomes majroor. Now we have an overlapped or chained combination where bismi is jar wa majroor, ismi is also functioning as mudaf, and the word Allahi is the mudaf ilayh majroor. The next two words, ar-Rahmani and ar-Rahimi, are coming as naat for the ism Allahi because they are describing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Both ar-Rahmani and ar-Rahimi are ma'rifah and majroor because the ism Allahi is ma'rifah and majroor. Getting back to the dialogue, Ana talibun bil jami'ati means I am a student at the university. Ana is the mubtada and talibun is the khabar. Bil jami'ati is jar wa majroor. Next, Hamid is asking, A'anta talibun jadidun? Are you a new student? Muhammad, Naam, Ana talibun jadidun. Yes, I am a new student. Hamid, Min ayna anta? Where are you from? Muhammad, Ana min al-Hindi. I am from India. Hamid, Masmuka, what is your name? Ismuka is the idafa combination where ismu is mudaf and the lamir ka is mudaf ilayh. Muhammad, Ismi Muhammadun. My name is Muhammad. Here ismi is another idafa composed of ismu and lamir ya. The mudaf of the idafa ismu is the mubtada and Muhammadun is khabar of the ismiya sentence. وَمَنْ هَذَا الْفَتَى الَّذِي مَعَكَ? And who's this young fella who's with you? So al-fata means the young fella or a young man. It is one of those special words that end with alif maqsura, and it is coming as marfu' in this sentence. In هذا الفتى, can you guess what is the function of the ism al-fata in the sentence? It is badal for هذا, right? Also, ma'aka is a new phrase that we learned in this lesson, and it is a combination of THORF ma'a and ضمير ka coming as mudaf ilayh. Muhammad's answer is Huwa zamili. He is my classmate. Remember, the word zamilun can be translated as either a classmate or a colleague. Because Muhammad is a student, we are translating zamili as my classmate. Here huwa is the mubtada and zamili is idafa of zamilu and ضمير ya. Mudaf zamilu is the khabar of the jumla. Then Hamid asks, Ahuwa aydan min al-Hindi? Is he also from India? Muhammad says, La, huwa min al-Yabani. No, he's from Japan. Hamid then asks, Masmuhu, what is his name? Muhammad answers, Ismuhu Hamzatu. Notice Hamzatu is ending with ta marbuta, that is why it doesn't get tanween, as we talked about in the last episode. Here, Ismu is mubtada, wa huwa mudaf, and hu is mudaf ilayh. And Hamzatu is the khabar. Hamid asks, Ma lughatuka ya Muhammadu? What is your language, O Muhammad? Do you remember why Muhammadu is not ending with tanween here? Because of the harfun nida, right? Harfun nida takes away its tanween. Muhammad, Lughati al-Urdiyatu. My language is Urdu. Lughati is the idafa of lughatu and ضمير ya. The marfu' ism lughatu is the mubtada and al-Urdiyatu is the khabar. Hamid asks, أهي لغة سهلة? Is it an easy language? Here مؤنث ضمير منفصل here is coming because it is referring to الأردية, which is مؤنث. محمد نعم هي لغة سهلة. Yes, it is an easy language. What kind of combination do you think is لغة سهلة? It is منعوت and نعت, right? Very good. حامد وحمزة ما لغته? And Hamza, what's his language? محمد لغته اليابانية. His language is Japanese. وهي لغة صعبة, and it is a difficult language. Can you identify the مبتدأ and خبر of the first اسمية sentence? مبتدأ is لغته only, right? Not لغته. We only pick the اسم مرفوع لغته وهو مضاف and ضمير متصل who is مضاف إليه. And اليابانية is the خبر. In the second sentence, هي is مبتدأ and لغة is خبر. And صعبة is what? It is not for لغة, right? Next, Hamid asks, أين أبوك يا محمد? Where is your father, O Muhammad? Do you remember why the ism Abu is coming with the letter waw here? That is because it is coming as مضاف, and the ضمير ka is مضاف إليه مجرور. The rule we learned is that the two ism words Abu and Akhu get letter waw when they come as مضاف. Muhammad says, أبي في الكويت هو طبيب شهير. Can you find the NAAT and MANUWT combination here? طبيب شهير, right? طبيب is MANUWT and شهير is NAAT. Hamid, وأين أمك? And where is your mother? Muhammad, هي أيضا في الكويت مع أبي. She's also in Kuwait with my father. هي مدرسة هناك. She's a teacher there. Here in the first sentence, هي is the مبتدأ. أيضا is a mansub ism and its function in the sentence is advanced topic for right now, so we'll talk about it later inshallah. For now, it is good enough for us to know what it means and that it is coming as mansub in a sentence. جار مجرور في الكويت is the خبر شبه جملة. مع أبي is a chain combination of ظرف and مضاف إليه and مضاف and مضاف إليه. مع is ظرف, أبي is مضاف إليه, and it is also مضاف, and ضمير متصل يا is مضاف إليه. Together, مع أبي is translated as with my father. In the second sentence, هي is مبتدأ, مدرسة is خبر, and هناك is ظرف المكان, the adverb of place. Okay, let's finish today's episode here. We'll go through the rest of the text in the next video inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.